Hello everyone, so it's a quick overview of one of my assets which I created inside Cinema 4D. If you want to import it, just open asset browser, and go to the database, find it here, import assets, Line Shaper, open. By default Cinema 4D shows you kind of this one, but unfortunately the latest Cinema 4D releases has some bugs, I would say. So in this case I also provide you with original project file if you want to change it and create something from scratch, but it's just in case it's not proper works with your Cinema 4D. Sometimes it happens and I can't affect on it just report back in Cinema 4D. But anyway, I'm already installed. If you want to use it, just type here shaper, okay, drag and drop here in your object tree, and if you select this line shaper object, you have a bunch of parameters like a subdivide, noise, and subdivision overall. There are a lot of, let's create simple dimple torus, I would say, just this one, press and B to show the polygons, okay, and let's use it as an object. Let's hide it for now, and we get kind of organic structure, with some subdivisions, with some smoothing. For instance, you can subdivide overall, you can play with it, you can triangulate or untriangulate it, and it's up to you guys, just playing around with C to create kind of these, I don't know, spider web structures, I would say. All this procedural. Unfortunately, it not work properly with animation. If you create some keyframe, it's not so smooth, I would say. But if you need to create kind of this shape, or choose maybe just a purely noise, change parameters, you can create kind of organic structures for your art, for instance, I don't know. So let me show you one of the example. I'm already prepared beforehand this setup, you can use it with Redshift or Octane, I think, I'm just use RS object that covers this line shaper because it's generated lines, and you can easily generate some hair strands, cylinders, capsules, whatever you want, and as you see, we can easily change here any object, to play around with it. As you see, I can triangulate it to get this shape, a bit maybe readjust threshold, maybe play a bit with scale, something like that, it's up to you what kind of shape you want to create. And of course you can subdivide it here inside geometry, overall subdivisions, to get more cleaner result like that, for instance, So I also provide you with some sorry, noisy today. I also provide you with some assets, with some scene files, example scene, in order to be on the same page, but it is what it is. It's my simple, not a plugin, my simple asset. In case, as I said before, you have some problem to import and install this, I prepare for you kind of original setup, just edit asset as a group, and we got this one, and I provide you with this original one, Of course it has some, maybe, actually it looks the same, but you can change something inside, but it's up to you, okay? So that's all. It's just a simple overview of my assets. I hope you're gonna be interested in, and kindly check my YouTube tutorials and my Patreon tutorials as well if you're interested in kind of this stuff. So that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.